Are you ready?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my roommate Lizzie. Hey. And we're going to be trying out the Salon Perfect Tri-Tint Brow Marker. Microblading is a cosmetic tattooing where they use a very thin blade to put pigment in the brows, and it makes very realistic hair-like strokes. And it tends to be very expensive, and you usually need a touch-up like every couple months, but it does last for about 3 years. And so I found this at Walmart for $5, and it's supposed to be a very cheap alternative to microblading. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm going to try it on Lizzie, and then Lizzie will try it on me. So let's see.
It's supposed to make hair-like strokes with this very thin tip at the end of the marker. That's on my hand. Oh! Ooh, it's like calligraphy! Whoa. So that's what happens when we test it on our hands. You just have to not press down too hard. I pressed a little too hard on Liz's hand, that's why it's a little smudged. I got it in dark brown.
Okay.
So I'm thinking that will work for us. Yeah, I think it'll be good because it's not black, it's like the perfect shade of brown.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're both gonna remove our eyebrow makeup now
With
our micellar water.
Skin Active.
I just gotta let it loose and do what you choose to do. Don't walk away. Yeah, yeah. If you wanna play, come and play today. Let's just get away. Yeah, I will make you see all the things that you can be. Believe in yourself, come follow me. Yeah, yeah,
Someone is doing watercolor on your face. It feels like a wet paintbrush. It's just the strangest feeling.
if you wanna play, come and play today. Let's just get away. Yeah, I will make you see.
So this mirror, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like really zoomed in. It's one of those mirrors that's like 50 multiplied. So
And it has a light.
yeah, so this is gonna be, see all my imperfections. Whoa! It literally looks like hair!
Right?
Oh my god!
Awesome.
That's wild! How? It just looks like I have bigger eyebrows. You did such a good job though.
Thank you, I took my time.
Yeah.
The secret is to not press too hard. You just have to do very light strokes.
Yeah, I might start using this.
Yeah.
How much was it?
$4.
Wow, I'm impressed.
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, let's do you.
Okay. Here's a spoolie.
Okay.
If you wanna play, come and play today. Let's just get away. Yeah, I will make you see all the things that you can be. Believe in yourself.
Oh my god.
Hey, I wanna get inside your head and take all your
So, I think it was really hard doing this part of the eyebrow. Because it's like more sparse, you know? So I think I went on it a little too thick. And it makes her look like a man.
Just make a wish you'll see. I bet that it comes true. I will make you see all the things that you can do. Believe in yourself, come follow me. Yeah.
Did it look even? Oh gosh, that looks so bad! It's so big.
creation.
Do I look good today? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm just another kind of girl.
It's like drawn on like a Sharpie. Yeah, it's like a Sharpie. Oh my god. That's so scary looking.
Hi, my name is Alan. Welcome to my channel.
I like really bold eyebrows. Like I'm very attracted to it. Oh, it's okay. You try. Look at these beauties. Well, it's a little hard to use, honestly.
Yeah, I think it's something that will take a lot of practice just because it can be really bold and thick strokes.
Should I test if it's smudge proof?
Yeah.
Let's try this. Oh wow, I mean it's not coming
Oh
off.
wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's not
I guess
moving.
it's
Look at my
waterproof.
fingers clean too. Wow, okay, yeah, it does not come off, so that's a big plus.
I wonder what the ingredients are in it. Keep out of reach of children.
And Liz.
I want everyone to know that I tried really hard. I wasn't intentionally trying to make her look awful. Like that was my best effort.
I suppose it's kind of like a Sharpie for your eyebrows.
It's broken because I always break mirrors.
That's such a bad luck.
I know, I always break mirrors.
Light strokes, Alana. Light strokes. Oh man, it's hard.
Ooh, I know you see me standing here. Do I look good, my dear? Do I look good today? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm just another kind of girl, and you wanna see my world, so come and run away. Yeah, yeah. If you wanna play, come and play today. Let's just get away. Yeah, I will make you see all the things that you can be. Believe in yourself, come follow me. Yeah, yeah. Hey, I wanna get inside your
Oopsie.
No, it looks like real hair. And see, when you mess up, it sucks because it's so hard to take off. But see, that looks so real. It looks like my hair is just a job like that. I think it would be really fun to like draw on people like on a sleepover with this
Yeah.
thing instead of with a Sharpie.
It's obviously definitely not as good as microblading, but I would say, you know, it's a good cheap alternative. It's a learning curve with this
A lot of
one.
practice and it could look amazing, and you cannot be in a rush when you're learning to use it.
Just do very light strokes, other's it will look kind of blocky, you know, because there's a lot of product in here, so it just comes out
Yeah.
really fast if you press too hard. But
Yeah.
we tried our best. All right, so like on a 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
If 10 is the best,
Yeah.
I think I would give it a 6.
I would give it a 6 too.
Yeah, like I think it should be less intense. And I think the problem is that it has like the Sharpie-like texture, whereas what works really well for like my eyebrows is when I use like a powder because it's less like intense.
But yeah, I agree. I think I am gonna stick to my Anastasia brow pencil because that's my go-to, but
I think I would try out like a lighter version of this that's more brown and more like the way I normally do my eyebrows, because when Alana did it on me, it looked so good. It looked like I naturally had amazing eyebrows. So I'd be willing to try it out again. You
like,
look
does that look
amazing. I would date you.
anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come.
We love you. You guys can subscribe to my channel, Liz's Answers. It's gonna be linked below.
If you wanna play, come and play today. Let's just get away.